Explain to you how to wire up a light fixture that I just purchased off the internet, and most of these are made in China, and you end up with a blue wire and a brown wire. The blue wire goes onto the white wire that are our American normal electrical wires, and the brown wire goes to the black. And if I wire these up and put a light bulb on this, it would turn on. Remove the old style light fixture that was on the wall.
And I'm going to hang 3 pendant lights from the ceiling. They're like a round glass ball, but I have to go into the attic, and I've already marked where I want them, drilled a hole, and I've stuck the wire in there. I need to splice all 3 of them together,
which means all 3 of the blue wires go together, all 3 of the brown wires go together. And once I have that, all I do is feed my electrical line all the way in the attic, and I splice them up and do all my work in there. And that way when you hit the switch, all of them will turn right on. If you guys have a standard light fixture that you purchased in the US, or if it has a white wire and a black wire, all you do is hook up and splice your white wire to the black wire, and there's your ground. That's what this one is. So that goes to the usually green, painted green screw right there. That's where your ground would go. This is also a ground wire right here. You can put those together on the screw. You got your black and your white. And so you see how these four lights that I have on this fixture, they're all just tied together to the white, to the black. Make sure you use a wire
to splice them all together. Just weave them together. Also make sure that your power's turned on before you get started. You don't want to get zapped. It hurts. So hopefully this video helps you out, and give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.